that there's a big apple hanging over here. When I say apple, you pump the apple with your hip, okay? Not the hand. Forget the hand. Hit with the hip, okay? Yeah, good. Ready? Apple. Oh. Apple. You can knock down the whole tree. Left hip is papaya. Papaya, apple. Papaya, apple. Papaya, apple. You must like fruits. In the back, you got coconuts, okay? Okay. Coconut. You almost hit me. Coconut. Apple, papaya, coconut. What do you think? Is it doing a good job, everybody? This time, faster, okay? We'll do it fast to see if you remember where all your fruits are. Apple, papaya, coconut. Apple, papaya, coconut. You're adding other fruits. I don't know what they are. Do you know her favorite fruit?
Papaya.
Dame.
Banana.
Apple, papaya, coconut, banana. You are very good. Do you know that?
I like it.
You like it? All right. Well, that's the way.
I like it.
She likes fruit salad. You make salad. You mix everything. Make the salad. If she likes the way you make salad, she call you forward. Keep making salad and dozo. Oh. Okay, Yamazan, stop. Please stop. Please stop. Oh, come on, he's doing a good job. Everybody give him a round of applause. Because you're number one, many people are hungry for fruit salad, okay? So keep hands up for safety reasons. Bend the knees. Smile. Make Here we go. Everybody clap along, please. Teuila. Keep going, keep coming. Yamasan, enjoy. Enjoy salad. Let's see another loud scream for Yamasan. Follow the ladies. Enjoy your reward.